Welcome back. For you to interact with your AWS console or AWS account through the terminal, you need something called access key and secret access key, which are together referred to as security credentials. So, because AWS has provided you with the option of either managing your AWS account through the console, GUI, like what we have on the screen, or you can equally interact through terminal or SDK. So for you to interact or manage your AWS account from the terminal, you need a security credential to authenticate you or any user from the terminal onto the console. So it is important to create um, a security credential for your IAM user. These credentials are very sensitive, and so if there you must have a reason to want to create one. And if in case you create one, you need to keep it very safe because anybody that has access to this credential can access your AWS account through the terminal from anywhere. Now, how do we create AWS security credential? You're going to go to IAM. I already have it in my terminal over here. You click on IAM. Now, security credential is specific to every user. Every user have their um, own separate security credential. So we have only one user here, which is our admin user, and we want to create a security credential for that user. So I'm going to click on user. It's already here. You can click on it from here, or you can click here, click on user, and you're going to select that user. Okay, you click on that user, and you go to security credential. You will scroll down to access key. You can see here. This security credential tab show you all the security configuration that you have for this user. And you can see, remember we enable MFA. So that's why it's telling you that there's MFA, one MFA here, which is here. And then the next thing we want to do now is what? Access key. So you can see you have two buttons here. You can click on either of them, create access key, and you can decide what you want to use this access key for. We want to use it for interaction through the terminal. So I'm going to click on command line interface, and it's giving me a banner of warning here. And I'll say, of course, I understand that. And I'll click on next. And of course, it's asking me if, description tag value. That does not really mean, but just say security credentials for admin user, for IAM admin user, for IAM admin users. And you click on create credential. Now, the credential has been created, and you can see it here. We have access key, and we have the secret access key, which is encrypted, which is what, how would I say it, which is redacted here. You can't see it, okay, unless if you click on show. But of course, if I give you this and I give you that one, I have just given you access to my account, indirectly. So I'm not going to show, I'm not going to click on show you. But now, how do you now copy it? If you go straight down here, you can see download CSV file. So if you download this CSV file, it's going to download an Excel file that contains the security credential. It's going to contain your access key and your secret access key. You can see this is access key and this is secret access key. And you can you can refer to them anytime you want to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download, and you can see it has been downloaded here, but I'm not going to open it because I don't want you to see my security credential. Now, if I click on done, so if I go back now to that point, you will see it will tell me that I have a security credential. So this is the security key, and this is the secret access key is not going to be shown to you. And if for any reason you find out that this key may have been compromised in one way or the other, or probably you missed it. Maybe you can't find it again. You can come here and deactivate it, or you can delete it. And when you delete it, you can create another one. So there's no worry about it. You don't have to worry too much. Make sure you keep it safe. But if for any reason you think somebody has compromised it or you are missing it, just come here, deactivate, or you can delete it. So that is how to create an that's how to create a security credential which comprises access key and secret access key for your IAM user. I hope you understand this, and I hope you like it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.